lesson is going to be on how to use the inverse operation to solve one-step equations. So here we have a number plus 12 equals 32. All the inverse operation is you're going to do the opposite operation of what's stated. So here we have plus 12. The inverse operation is going to call for us to subtract 12 away from both sides. And now we have y equals 32 minus 12 is 20. One way we can check our work is by substitution. So we say whenever we see a y, that is equal to 20. So now we have 20 plus 12 equals 32. And I know my equation is correct if my left side is equal to my right side. 20 plus 12 is 32, and that equals 32. All right, for a subtraction equation, how do we use the inverse operation? Well, again, we're going to do the opposite of the operation that's given. So here we have y minus 30, and the opposite of taking 30 away would be to add 30. And we're going to do that to both sides because we're trying to maintain equality. So now we have y equals 30 plus 15 is 45. And another way we can check our work is, again, by substitution. Wherever we see our variable y, we're going to substitute our value. 45 minus 30 equals 15, and our left side should equal our right side. 45 minus 30 is 15, and that does equal 15. The inverse operation for a multiplication one-step equation, 6 times a number equals 48. So again, we're going to do the opposite of the operation that's given. So the opposite of multiplying by 6 would be to divide by 6. And we do that to both sides. X equals 48 divided by 6. X equals 8. And one way we can check our work is by substitution. So wherever we see our variable in our original equation, we're going to take that out and plug our value in. So 6 times 8 equals 48. 48 equals 48. And last, to show how we use the inverse operation to solve a one-step division equation problem, x divided by 6 equals 15. So the opposite of dividing by 6 would be to multiply both sides by 6, and x equals 90. And again, we use substitution to check our work to make sure our answer is correct. 90 divided by 6 should equal 15, and 15 does equal 15. And that's how you use the inverse operation for one-step equation.